Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to customize Always on Display on iPhone 16 Pro. To customize Always on Display, go to Settings, then go to Display and Brightness, Always on Display, make sure Always on Display is enabled, and now you can enable or disable showing wallpaper, as well as showing notifications. Now when both are enabled, when I lock my iPhone, it shows the wallpaper, and if I had any notifications, they will be shown here. But I can also hide the wallpaper and the notifications, or just one of them, and you can see now it's without the wallpaper. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.